Two wolves roaming around the forest, and we shot them. How much do you think we'll get for both of them? Judging from their size, I think it will be quite a sum. Good. Now, what do you say we take a victory photo with him? Yeah, sure. Got a camera? It's right here. Alright. Okay, pose there. It's very nice. 3, 2, 1. Smile. Good. Let me see some. Wait. What's that thing in the background? Oh, look, it's a girl. Well, how you do, miss? What are you doing in the forest at this hour? Oh, is little Missy scared of us? Why, because we killed 2 wolves and we're not supposed to do it? Well, hun, I'm sorry to break it to you, but in the real world, there's no such thing as not killing people or wolves. You know. Oh my god!
Hey guys, it's me, Lpszanne. I'm sorry for that background reading sound. I don't know what the heck is going on. But I hope you guys like this episode. I'm sorry it took really long to come out. Yeah, but just so you guys know, these 2 customs are commissions for my good friend Wolfus LPS. She is one of my top buyers for customs because she asks for them a lot. So yeah, they will not be appearing anymore in the series. They're gonna be shipped off to her. It's just this one episode that features these 2. If you don't know what's going on, these 2 are actually Erin's foster wolf parents, and basically they got killed and stuff. So yeah, I'll just give you a little round. Yeah, these are for Wolfless, and you will not be seeing them ever again. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!